Yes, start moving.
Okay, now you are able to. Okay, so NumPy is very important package, and most of the programs that is using some data sort of thing, or even simple programs, you will find that NumPy package is being imported there. So, what is NumPy, and a little bit introduction why we use it, and the syntax how to use it is being explained here. So, NumPy is basically um, a acronym sort of thing for numeric Python. For numeric Python, you can consider it alternate to list. The advantage of NumPy, or why we are using NumPy, we can do calculations over entire array. We can uh, through the help of NumPy, we can convert the whole array as a numeric Python, and we can perform mathematical operations over it. So it gives us liberty over a large amount of data to use mathematical operators on it. So it is easy and fast, or we can install on command line by use pip3 install numpy, or in GUI we install it through GUI, and we can import it in our program by using import numpy as np. Np is the alias. So instead of using numpy, you can use np. We will see the syntax. Let's see a simple program. So here is a this in is for input and out is for output. So if you will write this line in the Python editor, height is equal to 1.73 comma 1.68 comma 1.71 and so on. So in this line we are doing nothing, just declaring an array, and this array is of float type. Now if I print this array HEIGHT, we will get this output as it is. Simple. Now we have taken another variable with the name of weight, and this variable is basically a array, because it is, or you can say that it is a containing several float items in it, and when we print it we will get the same items. But we cannot perform any mathematical operations on the array, as in C or C++ you might have observed that there also it was not allowed by the compiler or by the system. So if we will do to calculate some BMI index or something like that, if we will like to get the output weight divided by height raised to power 2, then we will get a error message, type error unsupported operand type for star star list and int. Okay, it is because we want to do some mathematical operation directly on the elements of array, and that is not allowed by the interpreter of Python, and we have seen that it is not even allowed in earlier languages of C and C++. So NumPy is a very important aspect. It gives us liberty of this. Now see how we will use it. Import NumPy as NP. This in is input lines. Import NumPy as NP. So instead of NumPy, I can use NP to address NumPy. NumPy is basically a package. So when I say that it is a package, that means it is having many functions defined inside this. So I can directly call that functions by using dot operator, and I can take the advantage of those functions. So the next step is converting the array into NumPy. How we can convert this? With a simple np.array and name of the array. See at the right hand side, np.array and in parentheses name of the array. This syntax you need to remember. NP is simply representing NumPy. Dot is, we can call the functions of that is defined inside the NumPy. So when you will put dot, you can access those functions, array and name of the array. And this you have assigned in another variable np underscore height. So when you will print np underscore height, it will print array and all the elements. Now same thing can be done with the weight array. np.array give name of the array. So same thing will be here appeared here. Now we need to calculate the BMI index, and for that np weight, that is this variable, this is a numpy variable now, divided by np height, and we are exponenting the value by 2. So this calculation will be stored inside BMI. Okay. Now we are printing the BMI and we will get the values. Now each value is being calculated. Each value is being calculated, and now we will not get any error, and mathematical operations can be performed on this array. So in a very crude language, I can say that on any data, I am considering data here in an array form. So in this array form data, however, data can be in different forms also, but as per this example, a data that is stored in array form can be operated by using mathematical operations, by using numeric Python, by using this numeric Python. So this is a very simple syntax that how to use it. Now you can see a little bit insight here. Element wise calculation will be performed. You can see that these elements are highlighted, and after calculating also these elements are highlighted. Okay, this thing we have done. Okay. So not only mathematical operations, there can be several operations that can be performed using NumPy. We can see one by one.